In this video, brought to you by Trashbots, you will learn about making a bird feeder. For this activity, you will design and build a bird feeder. Step 1. Gather materials. Gather gears, popsicle sticks, birdseed, and any other materials necessary. Step 2. Design. Plan and design the bird feeder you are going to build. Step 3. Build. Build your bird feeder based on the design you created and the materials you gathered. Step 4. Test. Add seed to your bird feeder. Test for leaks by lightly shaking your feeder. Step 5. Improve. Make sure your bird feeder is leak-proof and add improvements. Step 6. Recap. Reflect on your process. What was difficult? How could you improve your feeder? How could you make it squirrel-proof? What would you change if your feeder was to hang from a tree? Thanks for watching. For more projects, visit trashbots.co/lessons.